Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to make money fast on Bloxburg. One of the quickest ways is by taking on high paying jobs. The best option is working as a pizza delivery person. This job gives the highest pay per minute, especially as you level up. To speed things up, make sure your character's moods are always green. Being well rested, fed, and energized will increase your earnings per shift. Another tip is to build a simple work outfit to save time when loading in. If you want passive income, consider building a rental style house or selling pre built designs to other players. You can also use shift schedules, play in short, focused bursts of 10 to 15 minutes, which is proven to be more efficient than grinding for hours. With these strategies, you'll stack up cash in Bloxburg much faster. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.